Good morning, guys. Welcome to VLOGMAS. Get ready for the jingle. It's another beautiful day here in sunny Colorado. It's about 16 degrees right now with a high of 32 today, so it's chilly but sunny and very pretty outside. So we don't have a whole lot going on today. We have online church this morning, and then after that we're gonna clean the house because we didn't do it yesterday. Normally we do it yesterday, but everybody's just kind of hanging out, chilling, and just relaxing, and so I don't know. Honestly, I didn't feel like it, but we are gonna clean the house up today. I probably won't film much of it because it's just not that exciting. So anyways, that's about all we have going on today. Let's get started. Alright, so we're mostly done cleaning. I think some of the kids have a couple of things left, but I was gonna mop. I don't think I'm going to because I think we're gonna be doing cookies this week, and like, what's the point? So I just kind of made sure I wiped up any spots that I could see, but so I think I'm just gonna skip it for now, and I'll mop after we're done doing cookies because why do it twice? There's like a bird tornado going on out there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at them all. We got some snow last night, not a lot, but enough to shovel, so Jason's out there shoveling. A couple of the kids are helping. It's sunny though and nice. It's cold, but luckily our house faces the right way, so this should all melt. Bandy is enjoying the snow. He loves the snow. He's like such a snow dog. So every year the kids draw each other's names and they buy a gift for one of their siblings, and since this year is a little bit crazy, we're gonna probably have a mix of handmade gifts and probably some stuff that we're gonna be ordering online here, so that's what they are all off doing. I am working on editing yesterday's video, and then we need to take Bandit and Lexi for a walk, and I might try and get some more knitting done. I did get some progress on my hat last night while we were watching a movie, which was awesome, and yeah, otherwise we don't have a whole lot of things going on today. Ooh, I can show you, I did finish my spin last night, and so let me show you what that turned out like. So here's what my spin kind of finished like. It's looking a little chunky, which is exactly what I was going for. I'm also, I didn't have a whole lot, so this is probably like a half of a regular, maybe like 2 ounces or something. So I think I'm going to ply this with a white mercerized cotton that I have, and then we'll have a nice fun skein. I'll probably be making it into, I don't know, maybe a hat. That's always my go-to. And this little guy is waiting for his walk. Bandy. And then here is my progress for my hat last night. I did finish that row, and so here it is. I actually almost ripped this whole thing out last night because I'm not sure if I'm loving the color like order that I did. I don't know if it goes together as well. I feel like my Advent last year actually went together a lot better, and I only did the 12 days instead of 24, so I'm wondering if that might be why. But yeah, the girls said that they liked it and they would probably still wear it, so I'll probably finish this one, and then I might make another one with the colors in a different order. I don't know. So yeah, that's pretty much all we have going on here today, and I suppose we should probably walk this guy. All right, I'll be right back. Oop. Oh, Burr, it's so cold. What? All right, let's go get the mail key. Located the mail key. Why are we running? Why is everybody running? Are they both trying to be in the lead? Yeah, there's just letters. Olivia just informed me that it's coming FedEx, so not in the mailbox. Maybe it's, do you? I don't like it. Well, maybe it's the spooky, okay. Someone said that this tea Advent had repeats, and it does. So this is Spooky Spice, which we had on the very first night. And we're a little bit behind because we didn't do tea for a couple days, but.
I have Winter Warmer.
I did look, and that one is not a repeat. But this still just tastes watered down, so maybe it's just this particular tea. Because does that taste watery? No?
I like it, it's good.
Yeah, it might just be this particular one.
But, no, this has star anise.
Hey, got that going for it. All right, you have questions over there. Oh wait, before we do questions, we are doing this for our little snack tonight. Chesapeake dark chocolate pecan cookies. And so the rule is the kids can't get into the cookies until we do them for tea. That's the last cookie.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You want out?
No.
Who ate them?
We don't know who ate them. No one will fess up.
It's all right. It's actually not as good as you might imagine chocolate would be, but Kathy Rackow asked about the hat you were wearing the other night.
I think she's referring to this one, but I made two of them. They're super cute, and so I did have to look it up to get the information because it's been a while. So the pattern is called Fair Isle Heart Print by Rosehip Lane, and I will put a link to that below. And then the yarn is from Western Sky Knits Montana, and this is her biggie weight. And then the palms are both from McPorter Farms Palms. They are super fun. They're like huge and fluffy, and one of my favorites. And I did a giveaway for these in my craft podcast, so stay tuned to those craft podcasts if you haven't been watching them, because I do fun giveaways in them. Yay!
Janelle, what is Haley drawing on? I have two daughters who are really into digital art, and I'm always trying to learn about the different tools. And congratulations to Haley for winning that scholarship.
All right, so it's called a Huion Canvas Pro 16, and I will link it below this video, but she loves it. So she uses it with Photoshop, and you can draw with a pen, so it's a lot more like you're drawing on a piece of paper than with like a mouse. That's what she draws on, and she really likes it.
Okay, so Teresa, how many Raydunn mugs do you have? Also, I was wondering if hockey there is not happening this year because of COVID. Maybe that's why your Vlogmas hat is slow going. You usually knit at hockey. So we don't have any Raydunn mugs, do we? What? Okay. Well, apparently we have at least one.
We have like, how many? There's a lot. I don't even know. These are Raydunn.
Oh, are you serious?
All right, if you're not familiar with Raydunn, these are Raydunn. It just kind of has that handmade vibe to them. They just look like they were hand formed and then also hand drawn. So we have...
We probably have a dozen.
A lot.
I didn't know that we had it. I didn't know about Raydunn, but...
Well, see, you learn it. See, Raydunn.
Oh, look at that. So yeah, I'd say we have probably at least a dozen.
So you can get them at HomeGoods or TJ Maxx, and they're actually really inexpensive. So I don't know.
Okay, the other part of her question was about hockey, and so we're not doing hockey. I mean, they're still doing hockey. There's a lot of restrictions and whatnot, but we just chose not to do it. So, and that might be why Erica's not having as much time to knit.
That's a 100% good point, because we've been doing other things, and I usually bring my knitting to hockey, and so I get quite a bit done there. So yeah, it's probably a good point.
Kathleen Schlehoff. Oh, cool. So she says, I only use pour over coffee. It's my favorite. She uses Starbucks Yukon Organic. It's hard to come by here except at a Starbucks store. Try it, you will love it. I also ended up buying an electric kettle to heat the water. Okay, awesome, great tips, thank you. Yeah, I did a experiment yesterday and did a taste test because I had pour overs all week, and I do think they taste better, but they're just a lot more work. I did find that it was actually a superior coffee, so I'll have to try the Yukon from Starbucks because I've never tried it. So Wendy H says, try wrapping some Teflon tape to build up the threads on the tightening screw there.
Okay, so I didn't ask Jason, I probably should just ask him first, but a lot of you guys suggested to put Teflon tape on here, which will tighten up the screw. Some other people said to replace it with a metal screw, so I think we'll try the tape first.
I have Teflon tape. And
see if we can't tighten it, because I love this one and it looks a lot nicer, and it's just, I don't know, I just like it. But yeah, it does not stay on the table, so we'll try that. So thank you guys all. There was a lot of you who suggested that.
So Joni H, really enjoy the channel, love your Vlogmas. I would love to join a sewing group. How did you find yours? Love the sweatpants.
A friend of mine who is really good seamstress decided to host a Zoom sewing group with us. So I think there's like 5 families in it. We have to sew one different type of sewing, like apparel garment every month. And so we're learning a lot. It's been a lot of fun, and the girls get to show off, you know, what they've done, and we have been learning a lot of skills in the meantime, because I am not a garment sewer. So anyways, she hosted that. So if you're looking for one, you might want to check your local fabric store, see if they have something like that, or if you know enough people, start your own group.
Okay, Gabe's mom, love Vlogmas.
Thank you.
Her question is, when do you clean? Your house always looks so crisp and clean. Or do you hire cleaning help?
Yeah,
I pay my kids about 25 cents.
Yeah, I know. I have tried to get like a cleaning crew to come in here, and Jason's like,
we have a crew, a whole bunch of them, and they clean just fine. Yeah. And I pay them money, cash.
They get an allowance. It's
about 25 cents a day.
Yeah.
Room and board.
Free room and board. It's a deal
Internet,
in America.
Electricity, clothing.
Yeah.
You know. All right, Tanya Duncan, do you ever fall behind in homeschooling? Nope. We run a tight ship.
Not usually. Sometimes we do, but no, we tend to stay on track. I mean, I had one year where I was kind of loose with our schedule, and at the end of the year we were behind, and it was a bummer, and we all had to kind of catch up during summer. So now I mean, if somebody gets sick or something like that, it happens, that's fine. We do our best to stay on track.
Camellia Wilkins, hi Erica. What kind of fancy equipment do you use to film all your tutorials and Vlogmas?
Okay, super fancy over here. So I'm filming this video on a Canon G7X. It's like the first one they ever made. I don't think you can get it anymore. And then for my tutorials, I just recently got a new Canon M50, which I really like. The sound quality isn't great on it, so I did have to add a microphone for the videos just so they sound a little bit better, but that's pretty much it. I do have a couple little lights I can throw on as well if the lighting is really bad, but we're kind of a low budget film.
Well, we use a GoPro and
our
iPhone.
I have a GoPro.
If we need to.
Sometimes I use my iPhone, but yeah, I don't have any like super fancy, crazy setup.
You know, we have lighting. You walk in, it's like a movie set, but
it's just, yeah, well, I said that. I have a couple of lights that I throw on.
Okay, Cindy Peterson. Hi, Erica. That pizza looks delicious. Oh, she's got a tip.
So good.
Here's a little tip for you. If you ever need a new pizza stone, you can use a ceramic kiln shelf. And you have to find one that'll fit in the egg, and they'll go up to 1,000 degrees.
That's a great idea, actually.
And they're a whole lot cheaper than a pizza stone that you buy from, you know, like
Big Green Egg or whatever. Yeah, that makes sense, actually. I didn't even think about that. Thank you. That's a good idea.
And then she also complimented Haley's hair. She said it looked absolutely stunning and that you did a great job.
Thank you. So I've been cutting the girls' hair for a long time. Jason and Sam, I started cutting their hair at the beginning of quarantine because all the hair salons closed down and stuff. So do you have anything to say about that? I am not a professional.
She's getting better.
I'm getting better.
The main thing is that she needs to focus.
You get what you paid for.
There's, you know, distractions, and
there's no distractions.
I mean, my hair isn't even hard to cut, but I'm super picky about it. So
the only thing we did,
I just want her to wear her glasses.
Yeah, I started wearing my glasses.
Plenty of light, keep the distractions to a minimum, and focus. And I always make Sam go first because I figure if there's any rust, she can practice on him.
I did not know that's why.
And then by me, boom, I'm ready. And then I go check and make sure everything's lined up. And she's only had to redo, or not redo, but you know, like touch up maybe twice. Yeah. So she's
not
okay.
bad. It's not bad.
No, it's great. It beats the alternative.
You get what you pay for, seriously.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's fine.
We should probably cut your hair. Actually, it looks like it's getting a little bit long.
Yeah, maybe. It's not too bad. I haven't combed it. This is the first day I've combed it, or the first time I've combed it in like 5 days.
Just for you guys.
So, yeah.
Your big green egg wound?
No one can even see it. That's why I wanted to see if you could see it.
Get closer. Actually, I think when you took a shower at Washington.
I was gonna say it. Dude,
Jason had a big green egg injury.
I literally was seeing stars. I hit my head.
Were you really?
Yeah.
I didn't even know
I
that
was taking
happened.
the springs off of that. well, actually I was putting it back on. I took the springs off, and there's 2 springs on the back of the hinge to help lift the lid because it's so heavy. And
why'd you take it off?
anyway, because I was trying to get everything aligned. You know how I get. I need to quit messing with it. It's fine. Anyway, so I had a pair of pliers, and I was leaning into it, and I got the one side on, and then I went to go do the other side, and it was kind of like with my left hand, and I was doing the same thing, and I was leaning into it, and the pliers slipped off, and my head just goes kabam.
Oh no.
And yeah, it was like.
Was that today?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know. I just saw you came down with like blood on your eyebrow earlier, and rub some dirt on it, you'll be fine. Throw it in the wash, it'll be grand. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for us tonight. I hope you enjoyed tea time with Jason and Erica in today's vlog, and we will see you tomorrow for more Vlogmas. Bye. All right, Jason put some tape on here for me, so we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna slip and die. Thought that was cat hair on it.
It's makeup.
Probably. Can you hold that one up? So like closer to the camera, maybe. It's a Nuion Canvas Pro 16.
Do you ever fall behind in homeschooling? Nope. We were on a tight ship. Every day we finish what we set out to do. If there are any deviations from the plan, we immediately come up with a solution to solve it that day so that we never fall behind. If the kids are sick, they don't
get sick days.
Suck it up, Buttercup. Get down there and do your school. I was just joking.
Can I put that in the bloopers?
No.
Okay.
You have to edit that out too. What do you mean we talk too long?
Well, it shuts off automatically if you talk too long.
I'm just kind of having fun. You're gonna have to edit all of this out. Edit that out, please.
No way, I'm putting that in.
And he was always like, oh, you're Louie.
Why'd
You
she
name
go
your
there?
suitcase Louie.
Yeah.
I don't know, because she was gonna propose.
Right. On a...
Holiday.
What holiday? Women can propose to men in Ireland on a...
Oh.
Anyway. Alright, ready?
No.
Do you want to do the ending?
No. It's too much pressure.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
That's what they get. Just
That's my new thing. I'm saying bye.
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 Bye. I feel like you should say something.
Goodbye.
Not that.
Turn it off. It's my eye.